Hello guys, I am Abhinandan Patil and I have done with my third task, which is prediction using decision tree algorithm in the function of data science and business analytics. Let's start. Here I import the iris dataset. After that I made the dataset analysis. In that iris.describe iris.is null to find out any null values in the dataset. To find columns I use iris.columns. Here is the columns, which are sepal length, sepal width, petal length and petal width. After that I made the dataset visualization, in which first of all I plot scatter plot scatter plot of sepal length versus sepal width, in which orange color indicates the status of species, blue dot indicates the versicolor species and green dot indicates the virginica species. After that I made the scatter plot of petal length versus petal width, in which orange color indicates the status of species, blue dot indicates the versicolor species and green dot indicates the virginica species. After that I plot the hist plot of all columns, which are petal length, petal width, sepal length and sepal width. After that I made the heat map. From heat map it is clear that there is a positive correlation in sepal length, petal length and petal width, and negative correlation in sepal width. After that I import the trend test split from sklearn.model selection, and I train the model by using all 4 columns. After that I define the decision tree algorithm. Here I import the decision tree classifier from sklearn.tree. After that I fit the model and made prediction. After that I calculate the score of the trained model, which is 100%. So here, by using all 4 columns, which is sepal length, sepal width and petal width, model get overtrained. So I assign the petal length and petal width and species to petal, and sepal length, sepal width and species to sepal. After that I use the petal for train the model by using test size is equals to 0.3, and I train the model. So I get the score 99.05 by using petal. After that I use sepal for train the model by using test size equal to 0.3. Here I get the score 94% for sepal. Here I import the confusion matrix from sklearn.matrix. Here is the confusion matrix. From about model, it is clear that a model with 2 columns which are petal length and petal width get the 99.0.5% score, which is highest, and model trained perfectly. Also petal length and petal width have positive and close correlation, and it is observed in heat map. Also sepal length and sepal width have negative correlation. That's it. Thank you.